got everything you see plus this intake for $900.
$900.
But I'm gonna, like I said, I'm selling only my drivetrain.
Yeah.
Already in my truck, 5.3 MV3500.
And you own
Ironblock.
Yes.
I don't know, 800 or so bucks. I'll make most of the money back.
And you got a video of this thing running before you bought it, so that's a huge plus.
5 days before. It had a little bit of a noise, but I really think it was exhaust leak. But we're about to tear it apart and look at it, so.
Yeah, we're gonna find out today.
Before I put this on, I looked at the cam, and it's a 150,000 mile motor cam. It ain't bad. There's a lot of carbon buildup though.
Oh yeah.
A lot of it's dirty, but I'm taking the heads off, and I don't know, I might try to steam clean them or something.
So go ahead and just spill it out. What are you gonna be doing to it?
I don't know.
What's the plans?
Well, definitely putting a T56 behind it.
Damn straight.
I got a BTR Stage 3 truck cam. It's a 228, 224, .553, whatever the hell that lift is. I don't know decimal shit, but
yeah, I'm not.
It's a thumper. It's all that matters. It's gonna scare people, hopefully.
Yeah.
I want to be going down the parkway and it's just screaming.
Yeah, you want that aggressive sound when you got a custom build like this.
Yeah, but then I got the aluminum Holley intake, so everything about it is gonna be aluminum except for the internals,
which you guys can check out in this video up in the corner.
Yep.
I dig the lift plate too.
Oh yeah, I just got it off eBay, dude. I mean, just buy your random eBay lift plates. They're all good. Not really.
They're done. The welds look excellent.
Yeah, it looks solid. I mean, I do what you said. I ran them down here tight, cracked them a little bit, and let off a little bit.
And so we're gonna put her on a stand and do some work to her.
Put her on a stand, see how that goes. Hopefully, it don't fall.
Let's get to wrenching.
Okay, are you ready to look at this spark plug?
Yeah, I'd like to see what it looks like.
To get out of there. I should look at the front plug.
Man, someone replaced this spark plug with a
Oh.
Good.
There's no metal in it, there's no chunks.
I hope this drain plug has a magnet, does it?
No, it don't.
Does it? Is that not a magnet?
Okay. Well, if it is, there ain't nothing in it.
That's a good sign.
I mean, it's a little thick. It's black.
I don't know what that is,
Sure.
actually. I don't know what that's magnet.
I got a clean finger. Not really.
There goes.
Hold that up to the screen. Real close and almost touching it.
Ain't bad.
That's awesome.
That's like the old Marisha.
Yeah, that's not bad.